How to change password on Messenger. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. Start by opening up the Messenger app on your device. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on the gear icon that should open up your settings. Now you want to scroll all the way down and tap on Account Settings. Now tap on Password and Security. From here, you want to tap on Change Password option. Then you'll have to enter your current password and set a new password, then retype the new password for confirmation. Once you tap on Save Changes, you have the option to log out of other devices. So you can tap on Stay Logged In if you don't want that, then tap on Continue. And just like that, you have successfully changed the password on Messenger. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.